Hello everybody, this is Adam, and this is going to be the new criterion and the new elements for the third eye chakra in our chakra analysis series. So if you haven't seen the first 5, go ahead and do so at your leisure, and I hope you enjoy. We're going to start with the definition of the third eye chakra. The third eye chakra transcends time. It is located in the brain, at the brow, above the base of the nose. The gift of the chakra is seeing both inner and outer worlds. The energy of this chakra allows us to experience clear thought as well as gifts of spiritual contemplation and self-reflection. Through the gift of seeing, we can internalize the outer world with symbolic language. We can externalize the inner world. It's a very interesting definition overall. But what is the characteristics of an unhealthy third eye chakra? They/you rarely feel creative or inspired by anything. They/you become absorbed by the details, but struggle to see the bigger picture. They/you ignore listening to your intuition. Do they/you often get lost in their/your thoughts? Are they/you overly logical or overly emotional? Do they/you mistrust or dislike people easily? Do they/you find it hard to be open-minded? Do they/you struggle to see reality clearly? Are they/you addicted to external things which they/you believe will make them/you happy? Once again, one of those 3. Do they/you get emotionally reactive and get upset easily? So a lot in that, and honestly, I sometimes get that. But what is the characteristics of a healthy third eye chakra? They/you have a clear vision. They/you have intuition. They/you have the perception of subtle dimensions and movements of energy. They/you have a connection to wisdom and insights. And they/you are motivated by inspiration and creativity. So hopefully that gives you more of an explanation from the definition of a third eye chakra, just because the chakra is so unique. But what are the solutions to possibly heal this chakra? Because there are a couple of them. Explore different perspectives and viewpoints. Ground yourself with mindfulness, or be present with whatever arises in your daily life. Get out into the sunlight. You're going to see a lot of that with this. Explore your limiting beliefs, Hum or chant the sound Om. Get on a psychedelic shamanic journey. So basically, like, get onto a drug, but don't do this without the guidance of a trained shaman or in a comfortable area with people that you trust. I highly recommend a shaman. I did it with teas, and it was it was a great experience, and I was very comfortable. It went very smoothly, and I am fully aware that people who don't do it sometimes go a little overboard, and it's very bad. So please, if you're gonna go this route, do it with the guidance of a trained shaman. Eat more of these foods: prunes, dates, blackberries, purple kale, essentially anything purple that's natural. Don't get any of that artificial crap. Reflect on all that you think and do. try stargazing and moon gazing. This is my favorite for healing my third eye. Pay attention to your dreams, or maybe use a dream journal, which I've heard a lot of great success with using a dream journal, which I think is a really great idea. But let's get into the affirmations of this chakra. I am in touch with my inner guidance. I listen to my deepest wisdom. I seek to understand and to learn from my life experiences. I am wise, intuitive, and connected with my inner guide. I nurture my spirit. I listen to the wisdom of elders. I trust my intuition. I forgive the past and learn what was there for me to learn. I forgive myself. I love and accept myself. I know that all is well in my world. I am connected with the wisdom of the universe. I am open to inspiration and bliss. My life moves effortlessly as soon as I can pronounce words. I am at peace. I am the source of my truth and my love. I want to thank you all for listening to the new chakra analysis elements. Like this video if you did enjoy it. Let me know what you thought down below, if you liked it, if you disliked it, and also if you have a subject that you want me to cover for the new chakra analysis, go ahead and let me know in the comments. I really would like to know who I should start out with. Also, check out all the links in the description, and share this with your friends on social media, follow me on social media, and have a wonderful rest of your day.